y'all, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as y'all can see, I do have my real hair out, and it's very seldom that y'all see that, but I have my hair out today because I am collaborating with a company named Mix Easy. MixEasy.com allows you to make your own shampoos, conditioners, facial cleanser, and facial cream, like moisturizer. So like, I know that, okay, I have hair that can be dry, my hair is curly, I like full hair, I want to make sure that it is moisturized, I want to stop breakage, you know, all of that. And I was able to select each ingredient for everything that I wanted for these products to do for me. So this is the Mix Easy shampoo bottle. So inside of my customized shampoo, I chose ginseng extract, blackcurrant extract, green coffee extract, damask rose flower extract, argan oil, and silk protein. I named my formula MONROE shampoo, of course, and I chose the smell of Sunlight Dance. This shit smells so good. I freaking love the way that this shampoo smells. Like, even after like washing it and everything, I could still smell it in my hair. It's great. The next item I have is the conditioner. So this is what the conditioner bottle looks like. The colors on here is a really light blue, so since my lights are so bright, you can't really see it. But the ingredients I chose in that is propolis extract, floral, nectar, linden tree extract, dragon's blood extract, argan oil, and some more argan oil, because my hair loves argan oil. I use plenty of argan oil on a regular basis, so that's why I chose to put so much in this. The scent that I chose is honey and milk. So about this scent, I would not normally pick this scent, but they had 3 scents to choose from, and since I got 3 items from them, I did want to make sure that I was able to smell each one for you guys. When I tell y'all, it's definitely not my cup of tea. It does not stink, but it's just not something that I would normally like buy. If I smelled it out in the store, I wouldn't do it. So I really wish that I would have gotten this in Sunlight Dance. But also remember, if you're not a person who really likes fragrances, you can choose to not have a scent at all. So please keep that in mind. So you guys, I do have to tell you guys what my hair is like. I'm going to insert some clips of me washing my hair right now. So y'all, when y'all see this curl pattern come through, like, oh, that shit was like that. So I'm sitting here shampooing my hair, whatever, and these curls was just so juicy. Like, my hair had the juicy curls going on. It was smelling good because of the shampoo. Now, like I said, the conditioner, I would not have normally chose that scent for the conditioner, but it did what I needed it to do. My curls were luscious. I damn near did not want to blow dry my hair and straighten my hair. Y'all know I don't really wear my hair like in its curly state for real, because if I keep it curly, then it will end up getting tangled if I don't like do what I need to do every single day. Well, day and night for me. Like, if I comb through and put the product on my hair in the daytime, by the time nighttime comes in here, like if I try to comb straight through my hair, it's not gonna happen. So I don't like to go through that whole daily detangling process with curly hair. So I did still go ahead and blow dry and flat iron my hair. But y'all, that shit had me rethinking my life. Like, I was like, why haven't I used this before? Because I've definitely heard of Mix Easy in the past. It's just, you know, I'm just so used to my own products that I normally use. I had never really actually, you know, went and bought it, but I was ecstatic when they contacted me to send me these products. So after I finished shampooing and conditioning my hair has been so soft. My hair has so much body. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at me. What? And it's been raining or whatever, so I was just able to run the flat iron right back through my hair, which I'm not usually able to do, and it actually still looked like this. I have like one product in my hair other than the shampoo and conditioner, and that is Reflections by Design Essentials. I just lightly mist that in my hair just as a heat protectant. But y'all, look at my hair. Like, what? You can't tell me nothing. The last item that I got is this face cream, and it is for oily skin because y'all know I've said it 20 million thousand quadrillion times on my channel. I have really oily skin, so of course I named this one MONROE face cream. I put Arnica extract, Echinacea extract. Y'all, I don't know how to pronounce some of these words, y'all. This is crazy. Ginseng extract is in this too. Floral, nectar, parsley extract, and rice silk. So that's what I chose for this. And like I said, on each ingredient it tells you guys the benefits of every single one. So that is why I chose each thing. And then this joint smells good as hell too. This scent is bamboo and cucumber. I love cucumber scent, so I kind of knew already that I was gonna like this one. Alright y'all, so I just finished cleansing my face. I decided not to do everything else that I normally do. If you are subscribed to my channel, then you know that I just came out with a video showing you guys everything that I do to my skin to keep it clear as possible. So I decided to just cleanse my face. My face feels so dry right now. It's dry and tight, so that I can tell you guys exactly how I feel about this Mix Easy face cream that I came up with. So I'm just gonna pump a few, oh no, not a few pumps. I was about to say a few pumps, hell no, one pump. And I'm just gonna put that in the normal spots that I put. Oh my God, it smells so good. So I'm just rubbing this in. It's actually really light. It's not a heavy formula at all. Oh my goodness, my face smells good. I want to bite my damn face. So now I'm going to just finish rubbing this in. My skin does feel really moisturized. I normally, if y'all watch the video, y'all know I like to incorporate a little bit of oil in it, just a little bit of oil in my moisturizer. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to use this. But y'all I can actually see it. I'm looking in the screen. I can see that my face is definitely moisturized. I can't wait to see what it's like when I add my oil in with it. But y'all, this smells good, and it definitely did exactly what I wanted to do. Alright, so if y'all want to get your own Mix Easy products, the shampoo is 35 bucks, the conditioner is 32 bucks, and the face cream is $37. I'm not exactly sure if the price will change depending on like what you add to it. It also has a max of like ingredients that you can put in it. I believe my maximum was 6 items, so you can't really put like every single thing that's on the list because it is a whole lot of ingredients on the website. So I guess that kind of, you know, they probably couldn't fit all of that stuff inside of a product with it actually being beneficial for your hair or for your face. But they do have just, you know, a whole lot that you can choose from. So it was actually kind of hard to narrow down exactly which items I wanted, because, you know, I saw stuff for making your hair thicker, and then I saw one to make your hair have more volume, and then it was one to moisturize your hair, one to stop split ends, one to stop shedding. Like it's a whole lot of different things that each ingredient does. So it was, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it was hard to narrow it down to just 6 things, but I definitely was able to do it. I'm going to have everything that I put in my products down in the description box. I also will have the direct link to mixeasy.com down in the description box, along with the coupon code that they sent. I'm going to put that right here down on the bottom of the screen. It is also going to be down in the description box. Alright y'all, so my camera died in me closing out this video, but I did get out all the info that I needed to. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.